Hi students, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Maths for You. So this is another video that is on standard form 3. So in the previous videos we have seen standard form 1, 2. What are that? In standard form 1 only p comma q variables will be appear. In coming to the standard form 2 p comma q comma z. So now in coming to the standard form 3 here, how many variables will be x comma y and p comma q. So in the lower is standard form 3 లో, that is we can also say that separation of variables ikkade meeku ardhamayipotuntundi. What is that? Separation of variables means go to the BSc standards, you know that. What is that? Separating the variables. So now here what you have to do, you have to separate the variables x, p and y, q. So let's take first we'll see here the equation will be involved. Let us take f and let us take this is అంటే మీకు ఒకవేళ ఇచ్చిన PDE ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ px ప్లస్ సమ్ qy ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ pq అలా వచ్చేది అనుకోండి. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్లో ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ వై pq కనిపిస్తే ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెపరేట్ ద వేరియబుల్స్. ఎలా? ఇట్ సైడ్ అంటే LHS సైడ్ ఆల్ ద టర్మ్స్ షుడ్ బి ఈ ఎక్స్ కామా p and RHS the variables should be in the terms of y comma q. So ఈ విధంగా మీరు సెపరేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత then you have to take this equation should be some constant or simply equal to a g of y comma q equals to a. అంటే ఇచ్చిన PDEని స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ 3 యూజ్ చేసి మీరు సెపరేట్ చేశాక ఒకటి దీన్ని కాన్స్టాంట్గా అనుకొని then by solving these two equations you find out the values of p comma q. So meeku p comma q values అనేది వస్తాయి. వచ్చాక then you have to substitute in dx equal to pa dx plus q dy and you have to integrate. So that to find out the p comma q values, now you have to substitute, now integrate. Let's see one problem. Let's see the procedure here. So now the equation should be in the form here. చెప్పాను కదా, అంటే ఇలా మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేసేసుకోవాలి. సో ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇందులో ఉండాలి అంటే ఏంటిది, మీకు ఇచ్చిన PDE PQXYలో కనిపించాలి. సో దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెపరేట్ ద టర్మ్స్ x, p టు వన్ సైడ్ అండ్ 1, q టు అనదర్ సైడ్. ఈ విధంగా సెపరేట్ చేసేసుకొని ఒక కాన్స్టాంట్ a ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఒక కాన్స్టాంట్గా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి ఇందులో p, q వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ హియర్. After that you have to integrate with respect to some x and y by using some formula. So then we will get the required solution. So now let's see some example problems. It will be clear for you. Let us see some problems. Okay na? The first one, it is so easy problem. First easy chesi tarvata difficult problems chestane ardhamautundi. So manam oka first easy problem chuddam. So here this is the given PDE which involves x, y and p comma q. సో మీరు PDE చూడంగానే అంటే గివెన్ PDE చూడంగానే ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏం డిసైడ్ కావాలి, ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ ఉన్నాయి అని చెప్పేసి. ఇక్కడ మీకు x, y, p comma q ఉంది కాబట్టి now what you have to do, you have to separate the variables according to x, p terms on ఒక side, y, q terms on ఒక side. So let's see. Now coming to the solution, now first you have to separate. Let's take the x to LHS side, now q this side. Now what is the second step? Take these two equations to be some constant, right? So now you have to take these two equations to be a. Let us take say a. Now separate p by x is equals to some a and y by q is equals to a. You have to take this constant to these both equations. Now you have to find out the value of p comma q. So if you take this equals to p, what is the value of p? P equals to ax. And what is the q value? If you take q here, y by a. Now here this is the p value and this is the q value. So now you have to substitute in dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Now substitute the value and then integrate. Now dz equal to ax dx plus y by a dy. Now you have to integrate the terms. This is an integral constant. Now a is a constant, integrating x square by 2 plus if you take 1 by a is a constant, integrating y square by 2 plus c. Integrating this, z is equals to, if you take 2 common, you can take, or you can be take like this only the solution. What is this? X square ax square by 2 plus y square by 2a plus c. If you take the LCM, you can, or this is your required solution. This is your problem. Let's see the another problem. Z square p square q plus q square equal to x square plus y square. So now here how many variables are involving? 4 variables, x comma y and p comma q. Here z, the independent variable, is also involving. So now let's what you have to do, you have to separate the values. So first just we multiply z square now plus z square q square is equal to x square plus y square. Now you have to separate the p comma x to one side and y comma q to another side. Let's see what happened here. X square p square, take x square to LHS side minus x square, here y square is as it is, and take z square q square to here minus z square q square. Now next what you have to do, you have to consider these two equations. What is this? F of x comma p, g of y comma q. Now you have to consider some constant. Let us take a square should be some constant. Then what you have to consider this sum to a square, x square minus x square equals to a square, y square minus z square q square equals to a square. Now just you have to find out the p and q value. So just take this x square to again RHS side, a square minus a square, it becomes plus a square. If you transfer z square also, what becomes it? Denominator z square. Now same here, if you minus z square q square, a square minus y square, if you transfer minus z square, what happens here? Minus z square. If you take minus to numerator, what happens? Y square minus a square, right? What happens? Y square minus a square. Now you have to find out the value of p and q. P is equal, let's take the under root a square plus x square. Here square is there, the root and square is only z. Q is equals to under root of y square minus a square by z. Yes. So these are the values of p and q. Now next what you have to do? You have to substitute these values in dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. Let's substitute here. What happens? See what is p? Under root a square plus x square by z into dz plus under root of y square minus a square by z into dy into dz. So this is the equation after substituting the p comma q value. Next what you will do, you take the LCM z here and you will transmit to the LHS side. Now z into dz. So here the direct formula is there for the integration of these two terms. Integration of x square plus x square, integration of y square minus a square. There is a formula directly. Now after integrating, now we will substitute the formula and that is our required answer. So the next step is you have to transfer this, take this z to the LHS side. Now LHS, now you have to integrate here, integrate. So just integrating, now integrating with respect to y, treating a as constant. So there is a direct to formula. Please go through your any integration formulas of any textbook. You will get this formula. So integration of x square plus a square dx. So this is the total formula here, plus integration of y square minus a square dy. So this is the formula for this. So after substituting the formula values here, this is z square by 2. So this is your required answer after integrating the terms. Let's see the another example problems. Let us see the another problem. The given question is yp equals to 2yx plus log y. So this is our given PD. Next, what you have to do? You have to take x comma p to the LHS side and one y comma q to the another side. So let's see. So here p is there. If you take y to the RHS side, what happens? Let's see. Solution: p equal to 2yx by y plus log q by y. See, now your y is getting cancelled. P equal to 2x plus log q by y. So next, what you have to do? You have to separate x terms to x comma p terms and y comma q. If you take the 2x to LHS term, p minus 2x is equals to log q by y. So next, what you have to do? You have to take this to some constant, say, right? So again, separate these two equations with the constant. Log q by y is equals to a. So next, what you have to do? You have to find out the value of p. Now p is equals to a plus 2x is the p value. But coming to the q value, you have to do small simple equation. Simple equation is not log q is equals to ay. So if you here you have to find out the value of q. So your log is there. Just log to the RHS, what becomes exponential. So q is equals to e power ay. So this is the value of q. So this is the value of p and this is the value of q. Next, what you have to do? You have to substitute dx is equals to p dx plus q dy. Now dx is equals to, what is the p value? A plus 2x into dx plus e power ay into dy. Next, what you have to do? You have to integrate the each and every term with respect to x, y, z. Here z is equals to a is a constant, integration ax, 2 is a constant, integration of x square by 2 plus integration of e power ay by, as it is integration, denominator is the constant, plus c. So now the answer will be z equal to 2 is getting cancelled, ax plus x square plus e power ay by a plus c. You can take a as the LCM, or you can take here in the both terms x is the common term and you can take a as the LCM. So you can stop here. This is your required solution of the problem. Let's see the another problem. So this, let us see the last problem, the fourth problem. The question is that the given PD x into 1 plus y into p is equals to y into 1 plus x into q. So this is your given PD, which the equation variables involves x, y and pq. So next, what you have to do? You have to separate the variables x comma p to one side and y comma q to the other side. So let's do the problem. Solution. So let's first separate the x terms here. X by, take 1 by x into p. Here y by 1 by y into q. So now what happens here? Yes, all the terms here x comma p and y comma q. Next, what you have to do? You have to consider some constant, and px by 1 by x is equals to a, and next qy by 1 by y is equals to a. Next, what you have to do? You have to find out the value of p and value of q. If you find out the value of p, take the denominator 1 by x by x to the denominator. If you take the find out in the q value, a into 1 by y by y. So these are the two values of p comma q, and substitute the p comma q values in p dx q dy, then integrate. So if you substitute dz is equals to p value here, a into 1 by x into dx plus next q value a into 1 by y by y into dy. So next, what you have to do? You have to integrate the each and every term. So if you take the integration So what happened here? A is the constant, 1 by x, x by x is 1. Now let's see. So if you take A is a constant, 1 by x plus x by x, it gives 1, and which is dx. If you take A as a constant, 1 by y plus y by y is 1 into dy. Let's take this is integration, this is the integration. So here z, you can take overall the constant A also. So what happens here? Integration 1 by x log x, integration of 1 x plus I am taking A as a constant here, 1 by y, integration of 1 by into dy log y plus integration with respect to y plus sum c. So now here A into log A plus log B, these both terms, what is that? Log AB plus x plus y sum plus integral constant z is equals to. So this is your required answer. So now what you have to do? After observing the variables in the given PDE, you have to decide that whether standard form is used. So now up to here what we have discussed the 3 standard forms. Now another standard is standard form 4. Now let us discuss in the previous video. So this is the problem. If you have any doubt or you want to more solve problems, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.